Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I didn't get a chance to capture all the stuff. I think I took 1 or 2 pictures, but Zach is just working on this Winnebago Vista, and they came in and they did a Roadmaster suspension enhancement. We did the sway bar up front, and so if that's something that you have, you know, if you have a Class A and you're looking for some more stabilization or control, come see us. You know, again, we do the Roadmaster front sway bars, we do the rear sway bars, we do a bunch of sumo springs, we do a bunch of different stuff to the units to help stabilize them. A lot of times I don't get a chance to catch all the pictures and do it all, but just wanted to do a quick shout out. Thanks to the customer if you end up seeing this video. We appreciate the business and the work, and hopefully when you get it back out and test drive this thing, you go, wow, this is great. So, all right, actually, let me, while he's here, that's the old stabilizer bar in the Lynx, right? Yeah. I remember seeing the comparison between the two. So we're gonna save this for him, unless he doesn't want it or something like that. I mean, it's not like he's probably gonna stick it back on, but in case, we'll make sure he wants it before we just throw it in the metal bin. So, all right, well, thanks so much, and we appreciate the business. You guys have a great day, and stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your Urban Specialist.